Understand that purpose is so important to God that He created time for you to discover purpose. Caring about what other people think who have dysfunctional relationships with themselves can only be toxic for you, and understand that God is with you. Oftentimes when courage is needed, fear is present. But I want you to understand that God is not giving you the spirit of fear, but one of love, power, and a sound mind.
The Bible says that as we pray, those things that have not been seen, those things that have not been heard, those things that have not entered into the heart of man will be revealed to us.
I've had an experience, powerful worship, powerful preaching, practical teaching,
And prophetic instruction. Listen, it's 5813 Broadway Drive in Haltom City. We're looking to see you very soon.